Hi, this is Anil Kumar here. Developers have a linting tool to give an immediate feedback about what's wrong with their code on the editor. What if we can have a similar immediate feedback tool for product owners or product managers or even the creator of a user story? In this demo, I would like to show you how you can use Forge app to give a feedback to your product owner or product managers about the quality of the story and show some suggestions. And for this, I've used Algolia and also Giphy. I wanted to create a way to detect if the given story summary is an outcome or an output. What I mean by outcome is something you can measure success of this story once it's done. And to keep this simple, I've just used Algolia service as a search service provider. Of course, I could have created using an AI model for text separations, text grouping. So just to keep it simple, I've used Algolia. My Forge app passes the summary of the JIRA ticket to Algolia using Algolia API. If it finds any matching outcome statements, that means a story is outcome focused and you can measure success of it. If not, it's output focused, just to complete the story, and you don't really see any success criteria to measure it. If it's how successful it will be once it's done. So in order to really measure the impact. And I also wanted to keep the feedback in a more fun way. So that's why I integrated with Giphy, my Forge app. Based on the outcome or output story, appropriate GIF is also shown on the Forge JIRA issue panel app. Let's see it in action. So in this ticket, as you can see here, my JIRA issue panel app shows it's an outcome story and looks good. And don't forget to measure the success of this story. And you can also see that there's a GIF here. And as you can see here, the story increase application page speed. So increase application speed means that you are trying to improve some performance, change something. So you could also measure once the story is done, whether we're successful or not. So that's why it's an outcome story and it's having a green. So it's a good indicator. And let's see it in action, what happens as a negative case where I have a JIRA user story, like implement new dashboard page. Yes, it's an output story, and that's why you see it's an output story. And it's also giving a suggestion that consider revisiting the goal of this story and update the story. So in this way, the product owners or product managers can revisit and try to realign their goals of the particular story. In this way, you can be more work towards the impact, what you want to do, align your goals with your JIRA user stories. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think about this demo or if you have any feedback. Thank you.